So now let's talk about what is BlueJ. BlueJ, it is an integrated development environment. We can say that it is an IDE, okay, for the Java programming languages. Okay, it is basically for the Java languages developed mainly for the educational purpose, but also suitable for the small scale of software development also. It runs with JDK. You need to install JDK along with BlueJ, otherwise you can't run Java's program, because you need Java development kit. Okay, otherwise you can't import any package. So basically its IDE means here it is inviting you to do the programming. Okay, so we need, suppose you want to write a letter. Okay, so for writing you need a copy, fine. So if you want to type a letter, so what do you need? You need notepad, you need wordpad. Okay, the same thing if you want to do Java's programming, so you need an IDE. Okay, so BlueJ is one of them. Many IDEs are available there, but as a student this IDE is very much best, because here you will learn how to do the basic programmings, fine. So BlueJ developed by the Monash University. It is in Australia. BlueJ was developed to support the learning and the teaching of object oriented programming. It is very user friendly IDE. Fine. So you have already done some programs there. There is a short description about the BlueJ. Its original author Michael Collin and the John Rosenberg. Developer is a BlueJ team, and 4.1.2 that came in November 9, 2017, and it's written in Java and it's a cross platform. Okay, so means you can install it on Windows also and Mac also. Okay, it's a cross platform operating system. Okay, all these things are given here about the BlueJ. So basically about the BlueJ, it's a very user friendly IDE. Okay, so how to do the work after installation? Here after installation, this type of icon you will find on your taskbar, or maybe a shortcut on the desktop. Okay, when you will open it, okay, so I made some programs there. So this is its environment, fine. So what do you have to do? Suppose you are new for the BlueJ, what do you have to do? You just open this project. First of all you have to choose the project name. For example, I have given a ABC name. Okay, so first of all, at the first time you need to create a project there. Okay, so you have created a project. For example, I'm giving here okay, so this name is already exist there, so I have to give here some new name. Okay, let's give here demo. Okay, so now its path is this. You can change this path also if you will click on. Okay, so here you will find your new project, that is tech demo. So here you have to build your new class. Okay, when you will click on new, okay, so here you have to create a class. Okay, the class name, that the identifier rule, you can't start it with the numerical value. Okay, all that rules will be there. Okay, fine. So for example, I am creating here my class, okay, so this is your class. Okay, so this is created here. First of all, what do you have to do? Click here. Okay, double click here, so this type of window will get appear. Okay, so some predefined things will be there. Okay, so you just rub it. Okay, and you just start your code from the starting. For example, you have written here class. What was the class name? That was my class. Okay, so now we have to create our main function here. Okay, this is our main function. So inside it, for example, okay, so I just written this, fine. So after that you just have to compile it. If there is no syntax error, so then you will find there a message that is no syntax error, means your bytecode file has been created, dot class file has been created there. So now your program is ready to interpret. Okay, so now you can find your answer here. When you will minimize it, either you can minimize or you can close. Here also you can close anywhere. For example, I have done. So you need to right click it. Okay, right click, then you click on the void main. Okay, I have clicked here. Okay, one another window will appear, so that will be the output window. Okay, here I will find my output. Okay, so this is the way how we can do normal walk with the BlueJ. Okay, so this is so much user friendly. Its purpose is educational only. Okay, so that is so much easy to learn the Java programming. So I hope guys you people understood the basic concept of Java IDE.